Hi, hello friends, welcome to your Bankers Mantra YouTube channel. First of all, thank you to all for more than 100 subscribers within a short period. This is Udaya, I am friend of Raju. If you all remember, Raju said in the intro of channel, me and my friend started this channel. That friend is me only. Okay, let's start the video. Today I here came to share my scorecard of IBPS Clerk 2021 prelims, which is happened in the November last week. The results came in mid of December, and mains exams happens in the last week of January. So there is only 1 or 1.5 month gap between prelims and mains exam. So how I am scored 15 marks more than the cutoff, which is very common to score like this for me and Raju. To know my strategies, then follow our to-do list videos daily. Actually, we both preparing this to-do list daily. So look at my scorecard. My name is Udaya. My register number and roll number. Apply state is Karnataka. The exam is happen in the 18th date and category is OBC. Look at the English section. Out of 30 questions, I scored 19.75. Section cutoff is 5.25, which I have attempted 21 marks. Look at the numerical ability, which is quant. Section cutoff is 10.50. I scored 29.75. I think I attempted 31 questions. And look at the reasoning section. Out of 35, I scored 32.50. Section cutoff is 11.75, which is I attempted 35 questions. And overall cutoff is 67.25, I think, and which is I scored 82 marks, which is more than the cutoff 15 marks. Look at clearly this picture. 67.25 is cutoff and obtained score, which means I scored 82 marks. My overall attempts in this exam is 87. I scored 82. Cutoff is 67.25. But unfortunately, I did not clear the mains exam. But we both, which means Raju and me, clear every prelims in every exam. That's why we started this YouTube channel, who are struggle to clear the prelims exam. So who are struggling to clear prelims, all of you can follow our daily videos for better improvement in your preparation with your Bankers Mantra. We give announcement of IBPS RRB to-do list very soon, which means already coming. I think already 2 videos are out in our channel. Please check on the Your Bankers Mantra YouTube channel. Please support in this journey also IBPS RRB to-do list. It is very helpful for beginners and also who are already preparing. And also thank you for more than 100 subscribers within short period. We did not expect this much encouragement from all of you. Please support us. And also thank you for watching this channel. Thanks for watching Your Bankers Mantra YouTube channel.